Hey, are you running an email campaign, but you're just not getting the response that you want to? They're not doing it fast enough. Try texting. If you're a brick and mortar and you're trying to run, sales or specials, and texting is the future. There's more and more companies out there, whether it's your dentist, whether it's your, getting your car worked on. What do? They send you a text message to remind you, to do all this stuff. In texting, you'll have a faster response time with texting than you will anything. Because just imagine, every time your phone goes ding, what do? You go over and grab it and see who it is. Email, it may take a day or so before they come around and actually see it. But text message, they do it pretty quick. And if you're trying to run a business and you want people to get people in the door, or you just want people to see your product, texting is the way to go. Because you can send all your marketing campaign stuff just like you would in an email with texting. You can send notifications, reminders. You can do internal staff communications. Text Magic is an all-in-one solution for your business texting needs. And let me tell you, it's a game changer when you're trying to reach your customers and you want to reach them quick, because you got a sale, whatever. But this is the way to go, and you can try it for free. They got a free trial right here, or, of course, they got pricing. And let me tell you, it's worth it. If you're trying to reach your customers and you want to do it, it's $80 for 200 texts a month, but you can try it free, no credit card required at this time, so you can try it. If you don't like it, you got nothing to lose. But this is something that more and more businesses are doing. More and more businesses are sending you a text message, whether it's your car, you're trying to send, people, trying to send you a text message, but hey, your maintenance is due. Whether it's your dentist sending you reminders, hey, it's time to do your teeth, doctor's appointments, all these different places are using texts. They're using a TextMagic, or they're using some type of a texting to do their stuff, because they know people respond faster with a text than they do with an email. There's nothing wrong with backing it up with an email, but I'm going to tell you, you'll get better response and more people through the door, if that's what you want, with a text message than you will just in an email. But I'm gonna tell you, you got different prices here. Depends on what you want to do. That the good starter, which is also the most popular, I'd have to say is the $80 one. It's 200 texts, but you got to look at your customer base and see what you really need. If you think you want to send out a lot, then 2,000 texts might not be enough. You may want to do the 100 one. This one here, credits roll over up to 2 months. So what you don't use, roll over. I'm telling you, there's more and more people using texting services like this one, and this one's a good one. So and it's reasonable. You're not going to find one cheaper. Because you can do this one, the $24 one. You can pay as you go, but you'll probably end up paying more in the long run versus just get on something like a professional or the 10K one. Because I'm just telling you, it's if you're trying to reach your customer and your customers quick, texting is the way to go, because you're not gonna. People respond so much faster with texting than they do just regular email. So, that's just the way it is. Think about what you do. When you're looking at when your phone goes ding, what do? You pick it up right off the bat. So just think about that. You can do you can do massive texting, SMS marketing. There's just, this thing is endless. on what you could actually do. And I'm just telling you, it's a free trial. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Because what if you, during this free trial, you got people to sign up and you're sending them messages and it got more people through the door? Or you got more people looking at your website, shopping more, because you're sending them a text message. Hey, I'm running a sale. Check out my, here's a link. Here's a coupon. You can send them a coupon code. Hey, check out my website. Here's a coupon code. It's good till from Friday to Sunday. Everything on my website, when you check out, if you use this coupon code, hey, you get, 10 or 15% off. Just think of the amount of people and the volume that you can do it, because you can do this for marketing, appointments, reminders, internal communications. Like, say, if you got a big group of people that you're trying to get, it's schools and campuses are using this kind of stuff. They're using some kind of text message to notify you these days. I'm telling you, everybody's switching over. There's nothing wrong with email. I love email because it's your list, it's yours. Same thing with phone numbers and texting. But now, before, the pricing for texting was a little pricey. Now it's come way down. It's just about as cheap now to do texting as it is to run an email campaign. Plus it's a lot less work, and people respond faster than they do with an email. But you can set this up. It's your free trial. You're just not going to go wrong with this, and it's a great product. It's got a lot of people who are using it, and it's got 4 out of 7 stars. Out of 5. It's a great platform if you're trying to take your business to the next level. And if you're starting out and you got people coming in, they're signing up, make sure when somebody comes in, whether, if it's a brick and mortar store, get them to sign up for a newsletter, like an email. Then basically you're doing an email campaign, but also have them put their phone number down, so you can do something like TextMagic and send them stuff. And that way, if they see it on email and they see it on the text, more than likely they're gonna buy something from you. They're gonna, you, especially if you send them a coupon code saying, hey, here's a coupon code. It's for the weekend. Check out my website, or come into the store, and to buy something, or it could be, your daily lunch specials. Depends on what it is you're doing, what kind of business you're in. But I'm telling you, check it out. You got nothing to lose. It's a free trial. If you don't like it, there's no credit card required to sign up for it. So you got absolutely nothing to lose. Just check it out. Tell me what you think. But I think you're going to love it. Because it's great. More and more people, schools, more and more businesses are doing this. They're sending more text messages out than they are emails. And that's because they know it works. So, and if that's what you're looking for, if you're going to do emails or texting, but you can't do both, maybe your budget's kind of tight, then do texting, because you'll get more people involved faster with texting than you will with email. But hey, I'm Jamie Williams. This is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Don't forget to check me out every Wednesday. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share. Especially share this video, especially someone, maybe you're not interested right now, but some other guy or some other gal with a business who's struggling and trying to get the word out. This may help them, because the price is right. They can use it for free, and if they don't like it, they ain't lost nothing. But I think once they get started and they start seeing the results, they'll definitely sign up. So just keep this in mind. Don't forget to share it. Leave me a comment. Let's, about making money online. Let's do this.